Welcome to KrispCall. In this video, we'll show how to purchase a Romanian phone number from KrispCall. Let's begin. Go to KrispCall.com and log into your existing account or create a new one. Access My Number by clicking the plus icon or navigating to Settings on the left of the dashboard. Click on Purchase New Number. For the drop-down menu, select Romania. Customize your preferred number type and proceed to Buy Number. Name your selected number and add it to your cart. You must submit the required documents and information to our customer department to get your Romanian phone number. Complete your purchase by clicking on Confirm Purchase. Once your Romanian phone number is activated, you can start making and receiving calls. Get 100+ international virtual phone numbers from KrispCall and connect with your global audiences remotely from a single app. With KrispCall, you can get advanced telephony features like unified call box, global calling, text messages, voicemail, multi-level 𝐰𝐤 𝐕 call analytics. Contact our chat support for more information.